Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Samsung Wallet for online purchase in 2025. The first step you need to take is launch the app on your Samsung phone, ensure it's updated, and then add a payment method if not already set up. How do you do this? Tap Payment, select Add Card, and now scan your debit or credit card or simply enter the details manually. Verify with your bank using the OTP or app authentication. Next, go to Settings, tap and Pay. That is, select Tap and Pay and then select Samsung Wallet. Hereby, you've set Samsung Wallet as your default. Next, at checkout, simply select Samsung Wallet as a payment method. After making your online purchase, confirm with fingerprint, PIN or iris scan. Then wait for the confirmation message. Receipt saves automatically in the app. Here's a pro tip: enable quick access in your settings for your phone, so it will be easier for you to do this. Hope you found this video helpful.